Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. No issues? Okay, that's great guys. Amazing, amazing. Okay, so how are you guys? Is everything perfect? No issues? How was your day guys? How was your day, guys? Was there any problems, anything? Like, I hope that everybody had a great day. Okay. And I hope it was productive as well. Many of you have started your journey with DevTown. So I hope that your journey with DevTown is also something that is very fruitful for you guys. And looking forward for a bright future for everybody right over here. Okay. Okay. So my day, I felt very sleepy, fever, cold. Vignesh, keep a good check on your health. The health is much more important than anything else, guys. Anything else. So please make sure that keeping a, because if you are not healthy, then you will not be able to focus upon your work. You'll not be able to focus upon your studies. If you're not focusing on your work or your studies, then you'll not be able to grow in your life. So everything at the end of the day depends upon your health itself. Okay, make sure. Try to pay internship program fees online, but due to some bank details, it didn't work out. If you could do something for that reason, it will be really helpful. Uh, Pabhasara Ganedoda. I'm very sorry if I'm butchering your name. You can message on this particular WhatsApp number that I have pinned up in the live chat, and you will be able to. Somebody from DevTown will be able to help you out with right over there. Don't have to worry about it. Okay. So yesterday, why not give attendance? So can somebody let me know? Did I give attendance yesterday or not? Please let me know. Somebody's having a doubt that I didn't give attendance yesterday. Can you guys let me know? Um like have the has the attendance been given out or not? Please let me know. Yes, the attendance had been given out. Yes, guys. Yesterday. Good. So for that particular person who was asking whether the attendance had been given up or not, you are able to see that yesterday the attendance had been given. Okay, so let's get started with our today's class, guys. In today's class, we are going to do our project. For doing our project, the first very important thing is that we need to get the CSS files, because CSS is not a part of this particular bootcamp. So I'll be providing you guys with the CSS file right now, guys. So no issues, Prabhasara. Just message once again. Okay, maybe somebody will be able to help you out in one way or the other. Okay, so let me just first get you guys the CSS code, guys. Okay, give me a second. I'm blanking my screen to collect my CSS code. Oh, it's a Lexus LC convertible. Nice. So let me just, I'm blanking my scene, guys. I know the display would not be visible to you guys, but I'm visible. See, I'm visible, right? I'm there with you guys. So give me 2 seconds so that I'm able to get your HTML code as well. Okay, give me 2 seconds so that I'm able to get your HTML code. Once I'm able to get your HTML code, then we can start with our class. Okay. So I'll just first of all, you guys actually need the HTML code. Without that, you won't be able to proceed further. That is the reason why I'm first looking into getting the HTML code itself. Give me 2 minutes. Okay, give me 2 minutes so that I'm able to get your HTML code. Will that be fine, guys? Please let me know. Will that be fine, guys? Please let me know. Right? There won't be any issues. Good. So let me get the link. I hope so. This is the link, guys. I hope so. This is the link. Yeah, so this is the link, guys. This is the link. So I will provide the link in the live chat. So let me just make myself a bit more smaller. I look like shit in this video. And let me open up the screen as well so that you are able to you're not able to see me like my face on on the screen itself. You guys will be like, no, 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 no. This is not something that we want to see. Okay, so let me provide you guys with the CSS code, guys. First of all, why is there machine learning nodes right over here? Even I don't know that. Okay, so CSS code for project, I provided the link right over here, save. Okay, I provided the link right over here and save. So today what we are going to do right now is that we are going to look into how to create, okay, how to create our entire like project itself. Do you guys remember what was the project that I promised you that we will be creating today? Do you guys remember the project, guys? Please let me know. Do you guys remember the project, guys? Please let me know. What was the project, guys? Can somebody? Oh, okay, so Shita has already reminded us. Okay, note taking application. Good. So we are going to create a note taking application, guys, today, and it will be fairly easy. You don't have to worry about it. So what we are going to do is, first of all, we'll open up our code sandbox, our one and only true friend of ours, code sandbox. Okay, once you have opened up code sandbox right over here, just we'll go into the same code that we have written up till now. We are not going to write it from scratch. Why to waste so much time? So this is the code that we have created up till now, up till yesterday. So let me just open up the live chat on my mobile phone so that I'm able to see your chat right over there, guys. Give me a second. So I will just open up YouTube. In YouTube, I will just open up the channel. So what is the name of my channel? It is DevTown. Inside of DevTown, I'll go to my channel, your channel. Okay, that's the same thing. And then to the video. So I'm able to see your live chat right over here as well. Now, what we are going to do right now is that we are going to first of all open up the browser in the new window. Okay, we are going to make it a bit smaller. We don't require it. We also don't require the public folder and all those kind of stuff. So we'll be reducing this as well, and then we can just make it a little bit bigger to hide it. So now what I want you guys to do, please listen to this very carefully. Where are you going to find the CSS code? Okay, please listen to this very carefully. Where are you going to find the CSS code? So if this is the video that you guys are currently watching, right? Let me open up the video. This is the video that you guys are currently watching. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. This is the video that you guys are currently watching, right, guys? Please let me know. Inside the description of the video itself, you will be able to find CSS code for project. Okay, CSS code for project. If you are not able to see this, just refresh your video, just reload your video, reopen your video, as simple as that. If you are not able to see the CSS code for project inside the description of the video itself, refresh your page, reload your video, restart your video, you will be able to see this. Okay, are you guys able to understand it? Please let me know. Sumit, there are live or recorded sessions in the training. There will be both. So you will have the option to choose from. Okay. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. So if you guys are not able to see this, reload your page, refresh your page. It will come up in the description. Okay. As simple as that, guys. Okay. As simple as that. So you can just click on this particular link itself. It will open up the styles.css in your browser. It will open up the styles.css inside of the browser, guys. And I've already written this code for you guys. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, I've already written this code for you guys. You don't have to worry about it. Then you have to click on this download button on the top right corner, guys. Are you able to see this download button on the top right corner? This is the download button, guys. I made it a bit bigger so that you guys are able to see this. Just click on this particular download button itself, guys, and that will basically give you guys the file that you want. So it will be downloaded for you guys right over here. As you're able to see, CSS styles1.css has been downloaded for us. Styles1.css has been downloaded for us. I'll just rename this as styles.css, guys. I'll just rename this, okay, as styles.css. Styles.css. You want to rename styles.1 to styles.css? No. You have to change the location. So let us put it up on desktop. And inside of the desktop, I'll change it to. Why are there two files? Okay, so I already have that with me, so no issues in that. So I'm directly going to use it. So once you have downloaded the file, guys. Okay. Once you have downloaded the files, guys, what you want to do is you want to go to your code. Okay, this is the code, guys. You want to go to your code, then you have to upload. Okay, inside of the public folder, guys. First of all, delete styles.css. Okay, inside of the public folder, there is a styles.css already present, guys. First of all, delete it. Okay, just click on this particular cross. Okay, and delete the styles.css. Then inside of the public folder, upload. Okay, choose this particular button, this arrow that you are able to see right side of the public folder. Click on that and upload the styles.css right over here. Upload the styles.css right over here. Okay, are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. Can't we just copy paste it there, Casey? You can, but sometimes what happens is during copy pasting, there's some errors can be made, and you would not be able to understand what errors are there. That is the reason why I have pre-made the entire thing for you so that we are able to upload it right over here. Sumit, it would be great if you are able to hold on to your horses. First, focus upon the class. After the project is done, I'll be sitting here after giving the attendance. If you have any questions, any queries, I'll be answering that, Sumit, right over here. Okay, first, let us focus upon the class itself. Let's do the project first of all, Sumit. Okay, so right over here, I've uploaded the styles.css. Okay, I've uploaded the styles.css as you are able to see right over here. So that's it. Okay, you are done with the CSS code. I've already provided you guys with the CSS code. Now, many of you guys are saying, please explain again. What are you doing? What is happening? Now, again, I want you guys to understand something that up till now, I have just uploaded a CSS. I've downloaded a file. I've uploaded a file. Now, this video is available to you guys with lifetime access. I've not done anything. I've not written a single line of code. I've just downloaded a file and uploaded a file. That's it. Okay, what is there to repeat in that? If you don't know how to download a file and upload a file, then how can I teach you? Okay, so still people are asking where is the CSS code, guys. Please help them out to figure out where is the CSS code. I think so they are late in the class or something, so please help them out as well. Okay, can we do this in mobile as well? 100% you can do it in mobile as well. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. So you name the downloaded file as styles.css. The downloaded file, as you're able to see, the file that I have already created for you is called as styles.css. It's called as styles.css. The file itself, I've made it like that. So you just have to upload it. You don't even have to rename it. Okay, you don't even have to rename it itself. It's as simple as that. Okay, so now that has been done for us. Let us go back to our code app dot okay, what is okay, index.html, guys. Inside of index.html, we'll just check one of the lines. Okay, so right over here, our current website. Okay, so please understand one thing, guys. Please understand one thing, that your website, okay, whenever you're creating a website itself, okay, you just your browser just reads the HTML file itself and nothing else. Your browser just reads the HTML file and nothing else, guys. Okay, it does not read your index.js. It does not read your styles.css. It just reads your index.html. Please tell from scratch, sir. Surya Teja Verma, what were you doing for the past 6 days if you want me to start from scratch? The past 6 days were the scratch. Okay, so like I said, guys, whenever a browser basically renders a website, okay, shows you a website, it just reads your index.html. It does not read any other thing, guys. Any other thing. Are you guys able to understand it? Please do let me know. There's an HTML file, there's a CSS file, there's a JavaScript file. Okay, but it only reads the HTML file and nothing else. It only reads the HTML file and nothing else, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Good. So what you are able to see right over here is that if you scroll down below, okay, if you scroll down below, there is no occurrence. Okay, there is no occurrence of our CSS file. Okay, so for example, for our browser to read the CSS file, we have to put it inside of the index.html. We have to put it inside of the index.html. Only then it will be able to read the CSS file, guys. Only then it will be able to read the CSS file. We'll have to link our HTML file and the CSS file together. Only then your browser will be able to read your CSS file. Otherwise, for the browser, it does not even exist. For the browser, it does not even exist, guys. Okay, so right over here, you don't have to understand this particular line of code. Again, like I said, HTML is not a part of this particular bootcamp. So whatever I'm writing right over here, you can just copy, like just like whatever I'm writing right over here. When you're creating the project, you can just blindly write that. But I'm explaining the line to you that right now the code that I'm writing, it's basically saying that I'm linking the HTML file with the CSS file. I'm linking the HTML file with the CSS file. That's it. That is what I'm doing right over here. So I want to link my CSS file that is called as styles.css, guys. Please remember it is styles. Okay, that is the name of our file. Styles.css. Okay, sir, samajh nahi aaye. Khalid, you don't have to understand. Okay, you don't have to understand this. Okay, what I'm doing right now, I've done just two things, guys. I've just done two things. First, I've downloaded a file. There's nothing to understand in that. There's a file on the internet. I downloaded that file. Very simple, very easy, nothing to understand, not even related to programming. Then I opened up Code Sandbox. I selected a folder. I uploaded the file. Very simple, very easy, nothing to understand again about it. Okay, nothing to understand again about it. Download, upload. If you don't know download, upload, IT is not your game, man. You please move on. You do civil, chemical, mechanical, whatever you want to do. IT is not for you. Okay. Al Habibi. So moving on further, after that, what I'm saying to you guys is when you are creating a website, okay, when you are creating a website itself, at that point of time, your HTML page is only being read. Your CSS page is not even being touched. Okay, your HTML page is only being read, your CSS page is not even being touched. So you want to tell HTML that, bro, there is a page for you, okay, that is having all your style inside of a sheet. Okay, style sheet. Okay, that is what I've done. Okay, I just separated the words to make you guys understand it. There's a sheet right over there that contains all the styling that you want. And that sheet is called as styles.css. And I'm linking it to you, to index.html. That is what I'm doing right over here. Okay, as simple as that. As simple as that, guys. Okay, so right over here, all the other code, index.html, you don't even need to understand a single line of code. It is already pre-built for you. You don't need to understand a single line of code in this particular file except writing this line. Except writing this line. This is already pre-built for you. I have not written a single line of code out of this. If you guys were there from the start of the boot camp, if you guys were there, if you're not there, don't complain about it as well. I have not written a single line of code out of this entire file. It came pre-built with my sandbox. It came pre-built with my sandbox, guys. As simple as that. So I'm linking my styles.css file, the file that I uploaded. Okay, the file that I uploaded, styles.css right over here, and I'm linking it and the relationship. Okay, and the relationship between styles.css and the index.html is that styles.css is the style sheet. Okay, that is it. It is a sheet that contains all the styling. It is a style sheet for our index.html. That is the relationship that is there. And where is it located? href. Okay, what is the reference? Where is this file located? It is present at styles.css. Isn't that styles.css? So if you're still not able to understand the meaning of style sheet, then nobody can help you. A sheet that contains styling. As simple as that. Okay, very easy. Once you have written this particular line of code, you don't need to know any other line of code. You just need to write this line of code. One more thing, do not code along with me, guys. Anybody who is trying to code along with me will not be able to understand most of the concepts. Please do not code along with me. The video is available to you guys for a lifetime. The video is available to you guys for a lifetime. So do not code along with me. You can watch whenever you're doing the project, you can watch the video again. Do not code along with me, guys. It's as simple as that. Now, once you are able to put it right over here, the next thing that we want to do is we want to close the index.html forever. You have to close the index.html file forever. Okay, forever, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Forever. We are not going to open it up. Now, if I open it up at a later point of time, please don't complain that, sir, you said you are closing it forever. What are you doing? I'm sir. I can do it. I can do anything. Okay. Are you guys, so up till now, we haven't even started. We haven't even touched upon the same. Okay, somebody's asking what is the full form of href. Okay, href basically means hypertext. Okay, hypertext and then reference. Hypertext reference. That is the full form of href, but basically you can understand that where is this file located? That is what is asking. Okay, where is that file located? That is what it is asking right over here. We'll be now going back into src, into components, into app.jsx. This is where all our code will be written. Okay, this is where all our components will be added. Do you guys remember? Please do let me know, guys. Do you guys remember? Please do let me know. All our components will be added into app.jsx. Okay, we don't have to submit our project right now. No, Sony, I'm not a Hitler. I'm not going to ask you to submit your project right now. Okay, just chill. Okay, just first focus upon the project itself. Okay, good. So you guys remember app.jsx? Good. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try something new out here. This is something that I did in previous class. Let me try this out. Okay, give me a second. Even I'm trying this out for the very first time. Sorry, for the second time. Let us see if this works out for us or not. So I have the live chat on my left hand side. I will have the code sandbox on the right hand side. I feel as if this looks much more appealing to me. I don't know why. Now do not complain about it as well. Okay. Good. So next what we are going to do is we are going to look at our what are we going to create. A very simple application, guys. We don't want to make anything very big, very bold or something like that. So this is our website right over here. This is our website right over here. What we want is we want to create a very simple note-taking application. Okay, we want to create a very simple note-taking application, guys. Nothing too complicated. Very simple, very easy. Okay, and I know that you guys will be easily able to do it. Okay, I know that. So right over here, I want to have a heading. Okay, I want to have a very simple, sober heading which contains the text DevTown inside of it. Okay, as simple as that. Very simple heading having a like a text of DevTown right over there. At the footer, okay, at the footer, I just want to write copyright. Okay, copyright at a rate 2023. Okay, that is the year. That is what I want to have right over there. And then I want to have these notes. Okay, I want to have these notes right over here that contains a heading and some paragraph. Okay, that contains some heading and some paragraph as well. Okay, so my that contains some heading and some paragraph. So this will look something like this, guys. We'll have a big bold heading and then some paragraph down below. Big bold heading and then some paragraph down below. So this is a very simple application that I want to create. Okay, as you guys are able to see. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. So what is going to happen is that this will be divided into three parts, guys. Okay, this will be divided into three parts. This is called as a header. This is called as a header in HTML, guys. This bottom part is called as a footer. This bottom part is called as a footer, guys. Please remember this. So every website has a header and every website has a footer to it as well. Always remember that. Every website has a header and every website has a footer to it as well. So that is what we are going to do. So okay, why do I want to, okay, I'll just make it smaller. Okay, as simple as that. Now I will be going back to just to look into everything, that everything is working out properly or not. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to create a heading. Okay, we are going to create a heading, guys. So I'm going to keep the first component as it is. Okay, I'm going to keep the first component as it is. There is a heading folder that is already present for us. Okay, heading.jsx. We already have a component named like that. The only thing that we need to change is this. Okay, we need to change this into a header. We need to change this into a header, guys. Now to create a header in HTML is very simple. The tag for that is header tag. The tag for that is header tag. Now please understand something about the header tag. Header tag is exactly like div tag. Okay, header tag is div tag. Okay, just try to understand this. Header tag is div tag. We have learned about div tag yesterday, right, guys? Please let me know. We have learned about div tag yesterday. Please do let me know, guys. We have learned about div tag yesterday. Please do let me know. Right? So think that header tag is exactly div tag, but because it is at the top of the website. Okay, usually the header is usually at the top of the website. The name itself suggests that it's the header. It is at top of the website. So we call this div tag as the header tag. That is just, we are just changing its name. It's still the div tag. It's still the same. Nothing is different about it. Because this is always put up at the top of the website, we call it as the header tag. We call it at the header tag. Nothing is different. Internally, it is still a div tag. Okay, internally, it is still exactly a div tag itself. Right over here, we are going to create a header tag, HEADER, header tag. Okay, inside the header tag, we are going to have an H1 element. Inside the header tag, we are going to have an H1 element, that is big, bold letters. And we are going to write DevTown right over here. DEVTOWN, guys. Okay, DEVTOWN. Again, I'm explaining to you guys, header is nothing else but just a div tag. It is just a div tag, just the name is being changed because it is coming up at the top, so header. Okay, that's as simple as that. Okay, once I'm saving this, let us go back to our website. Let us reload our page. Okay, let us reload our page. As you are able to see, we are able to get a header having DevTown written on top of it. Okay, we are having a header written as DevTown on top of it, guys. Are you guys able to see this and understand it? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to see this and understand it? Please do let me know, guys. Good. Now the next thing that we want to do is we want to create a footer as well. We want to create a footer as well. So in the picture, if you guys remember, this down below, this copyright at rate 2023, it is always going to be at the end of the website. It is always going to be at the end of the website itself. Okay, so that we are going to do it, we are going to use another tag that is called as a footer. Now that tag is again internally a div tag. Again, guys, again footer is again internally a div tag itself, but because it is always at the foot, at the bottom of the website, we just call it as a footer. We just call it as a footer, guys. Okay, now somebody is asking, sir, why is it yellow? Because of CSS. The CSS code that I wrote for you guys and I made you guys upload it, that CSS code is making it yellow in color. Okay, that CSS code is doing all this styling for you guys. Okay, so now we are going to create a component. Okay, so creating a component, how to create a component called as footer, guys? Can somebody let me know what are the steps? How to create a component called as footer? Can somebody let me know what are these steps, guys? Please do let me know. What are these steps, guys? Please do let me know. No, Samuel, you have to do it using code sandbox only. Okay. First, we are going to create footer.jsx. Amazing, guys. Footer.jsx. F should be capital. FOOTER. Footer.jsx, guys. Now, what is the next thing, guys? What is the next thing? What is the next thing, guys? Atharva Chaudhary, it will give you an error because you're coding along with me. Just wait till the end of the class. Listen to me carefully. Do not skip on steps. Good. First, import React from React, or if you are like me, you don't like to follow steps, go into heading.jsx, copy everything from right over there, paste everything inside of footer.jsx, change the heading name to FOOTER footer, copy it, paste it right over here as well. Done. Your footer component is ready. So of course the HTML inside of that needs to be changed. Okay, that needs to be changed, guys. For that, we are going to use the footer itself. Okay, so instead of header, we are going to use FOOTER footer, and then we are going to use the exact same thing right over here as well. Okay, and then we are going to use a paragraph tag right over here. Instead of an H1 tag, we are going to use a paragraph tag, and we are going to write copy RIGST write @2023. Okay, we are going to write copyright @2023, guys. We are going to save it. Okay, and we are going to use, okay, we are going to use it inside of our okay, where are we going to use it? Index.js. We are going to use it inside of our index.js, guys. Inside of index.js, we need to I'm very sorry, inside of app.jsx. Okay, inside of app.jsx, guys. So instead of the app.jsx, we need to just import it first of all. So import, and then we are going to use footer dot. Okay, sorry, we are going to use FOOT footer from dot slash footer. So we have already done with the entire thing, guys. We are already done with the entire thing. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Please tell immediately. Good. Amazing, guys. Amazing. So now what we need to do is we are done with this. Okay, we are done with this. We are importing our footer. So we need to add our footer tag as well. FOOTER footer. So we'll be adding it right over here. We'll be saving it. We don't require two tags, opening and closing. So we'll be just using the self-closing tag itself. We are going to go to our website, reload our page. As you are able to see, copyright at rate 2023. Are you guys able to see that? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see the copyright at rate 2023? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to see the copyright at rate 2023? So that is also done for us. Now we need to create our notes, guys. Now we need to create our notes. So creating our notes is absolutely very simple, guys. Very simple. So what we are going to do is we are going to change the paragraph. Okay, we are going to just delete the paragraph.jsx. Okay, just delete the paragraph.jsx itself. Why is it in pale color? Again, due to the CSS that we have written right over there, CSS code that we uploaded that makes it to the pale color. It's as simple as that. It's it's the magic of CSS right over there. Okay, so we are going to delete our app.jsx. We are going to delete our code of paragraph as well. We don't require the paragraph code. We're going to create a note. Okay, we are going to create a note, guys. New file, note .jsx. Okay, node.jsx, guys, right over here. Inside of that we are going to write, okay, inside of that we are going to write our code. Again, I don't want to write it, so Control A, Control C, Control V. Okay, and we are going to change this as NOTE, note. Okay, and we are going to paste this right over here as well, note. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. Now we need to change our HTML, right? We need to change our HTML itself. You guys understand it? Please let me know. So what we are going to do is we are going to create a div tag right over here. Okay, we are going to create a div tag right over here, guys. Another div tag right over here. Okay, we're going to have an h1 tag and a paragraph tag inside of it. Okay, like I said, every note should have a heading. Okay, every note should have a heading and some text written below it. Guys. That is what we are going to do right over here as well. DevTown, a place to learn and grow on your own pace. Okay, so let us save it right over here. I don't know why, man. I always write DIC. I have no idea. Every time when I'm coding, it's always not DIV but DIC. And I don't have any idea why I do that. So right over here, we have changed it to notes. Okay. And we're going to go back to our app.jsx. We're going to import note, guys. Import note, note from note. Okay. Why does this happen? Okay, we're going to save this. We are going to add our note right over here as well. So NOTE, note, and self-closing tags, save. And when we are going to our website, you will be able to see that our CSS is not getting applied. Our CSS is not getting applied. I wanted it to come up inside of a box, like a sticky note. I wanted it to look like a sticky note. That means my CSS has not been applied on my note itself. The CSS, the code that was there, has not been applied on my HTML and paragraph tag of my note. Okay, the note component that I've created, the CSS is not getting applied on it. Okay, the CSS is not getting applied on it. Do you guys know what is the reason for that? Okay, you guys don't know. I have not taught you guys the CSS portion as of this particular point of time. So okay, just write this particular piece of code. If I'm trying to make you guys understand, then I will to start from the utmost beginning. What is CSS? How is CSS? Just come to another class and we'll have it. So class name is equals to N-O-T-E note. Okay, let me just check the spelling. N-O-T-E note. Okay, let's save it right over here. So I've done this right over here, guys. Okay, I've done this right over here. Div tag class name is equals to note. Okay, class name is equals to note. Just write this. Please make sure that the N in class name is capital. The N in class name should be capital, guys. The N in class name should be capital. So the div tag should contain class name is equals to note, guys. Class name is equals to note. Please remember, without this, your notes will not be appearing properly. Without this, your notes will not be appearing properly, guys. Okay, I've done something else. I've written it at a very wrong position. Let me just remove this. Okay, that was my fault, guys. I opened up the wrong page. Again, guys, this is not the right place to do it. The right place to do it is inside of node.jsx. Okay, the right place to do it is inside of node.jsx. I wrote it at the wrong place, guys. Inside of your node.jsx, the div tag that is present, you need to add this particular piece of code right over there. Class name is equals to note note. Okay, class name is equals to note note, guys. Now you can save it, go back to your website. As you're able to see, you are able to see it as a note itself right now. Okay, you are able to see it as a note itself. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Simple, right? Not too complicated for you guys, or is it complicated for you guys? Please let me know. I don't think so, guys, because everything that we did today, it's basically what we have. Why should the N be capital? Where is the N capital? Okay, because that is syntax. Okay, somebody's asking why does the N inside of class name needs to be capital? Because that is syntax. Okay, that is the grammar of JavaScript. Okay, I hope that you guys understand what is grammar, right? You guys understand what is grammar? Similar to that, every single programming language, okay, in your English language, you are having grammar as well. Similar to that, inside of programming languages as well, there are some rules and regulations that you need to follow. The grammar of that particular programming language. If you're not following the grammar of the programming languages, you are going to get error. Okay, so keeping the class name in as capital, that is also one of the grammar that is called as the syntax of programming languages, guys. Syntax of programming language. Okay, that particular programming language, of course. So are you guys able to understand it right now, or still like there are some things that you guys are not able to understand? Please let me know, guys. I hope everybody is able to understand up till here. Please let me know. Why the JSX file starts with capital, sir? Because that is the thing that all the programmers follow to specify that this is a component. Okay, whenever you create functions, okay, I was creating the greeting function as well. If you guys remember, while learning JavaScript, I wrote the G in capital. So usually it is taken up as a convention itself that when you are creating a function name, you should keep the first letter as capital so that you are able to differentiate it from a variable name. Okay, from a variable name itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. To differentiate it from a variable name, we usually make sure that our function names are starting with a capital letter itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Good. Now, what is a problem? Okay, there's a problem right over here, guys. When I'm going to my website right now, it is maybe I created this website in 2022. Okay, let's assume that I created this website in 2022. So I'll be writing copyright at a rate 2022 right over here. Right, guys? Please let me know. I will be writing copyright at a rate 2022 right over here. If I was doing this in 2022, if I am saving this, right now I'm coming to 2023, guys. I'm coming to 2023. Right over here, as you're able to see, my copyright is still of 2022 itself. It hasn't been updated. My copyright hasn't been updated up till now. So what can I do? I will go back to my code. I will change my code every single year to update the year itself. Is that a good method, guys? Is that a good method? No, right? It is a lot of time-taking process. Every year I have to come back to code itself. And these type of repeated things should be able to do. We should be able to do it using JavaScript, okay? Using programming itself. That is what we are going to do right now, guys. That is what we are going to do. Inside of the function footer, what we are going to do is we are going to create a const, okay? We are going to create a const called as your current year, curryear, current year, guys. We create a const called as current year. and we are going to create it as a object. Okay, we are going to create as a date object. So guys, please try to understand this. In JavaScript there are a lot of different functions that you can use at the end of the day. Okay, so right now I want the year, the current year. Okay, I want the current year, guys. Are you guys able to understand it? Please do let me know. What I want right over here is the current year, whatever year it is. It is 2023, 2023 should be there. 2024, 2024 should be there. 2025, 2025 should be there. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. I want that to happen. So I'm going to create a new, so every time a user is coming up to my website, I want to create a new date. Okay, whatever is the current date. Okay, I want to create a new date. Every time a user is coming to my website, what is the new date? Okay, current date that is there. This code will create, new date will create the current date for you guys. And then dot, you are going to have get full year. Get full year, guys. This is going to get you the current year, current full year, that is 2023, 2024, 2025, 2022. As simple as that. Okay, as simple as that, guys. And now instead of using, so if I'm putting current year right over here, guys, if I'm putting curryer current year right over here, if I go back to my website, okay, if I go back to my website itself, as you are able to see, I'm just getting current year printed out on my screen. I'm getting current year printed out on my screen. I want the value present inside of it. Okay, I want the value present inside of it. So where we did wrong was that this is a JSX code, guys. This is not a JavaScript code. This is not an HTML code. Okay, right over here, if you are writing curryer, it is treated as a HTML. It is treated as HTML. It is not treated as JavaScript. To treat it as JavaScript, we are going to put it inside of curly braces. To treat it as JavaScript, we are going to put it inside of curly braces, guys. So curly braces, current year, curly braces closed. So now if I'm going to go back to my website, you are able to see my current year is coming up as 2023. My current year is coming up as 2023, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Are you guys able to understand this? Are you guys still facing any kind of problems? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to see this? Are you guys able to understand this? Can we use VS Code? No, you cannot use VS Code. You have to use Code Sandbox. I'll be letting you guys know the reason why you have to use Code Sandbox as well in a few minutes. Just be patient, okay? But are you guys able to understand the project that you have built right over here? I want 5 notes on my screen, guys. I don't want 1 note. I want 5 notes on my screen. Okay, let's add 2 notes to my screen, guys. Let's add 2 nodes to my screen. So let us go back. Instead of app.jsx, copy your node, provide the 5 nodes right over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I'm adding 5 nodes right over here, guys. I'm adding 5 nodes right over here. I'm saving it up as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I can go back to my website, reload my page. As you're able to see, I'm seeing 5 nodes to my screen. I'm seeing 5 nodes to my screen. I can additionally add 4 more nodes actually. Let me add 4 more nodes right over here. So 9 nodes are there, guys. 9 nodes I'm adding it up right over here, guys. 9 nodes I'm adding it up right over here. I'm saving it up. For saving it is Control S. As you're able to see, 9 nodes are available on our screen, guys. 9 nodes are available on our screen. Sir, can we use other brackets or curly bracket is necessary? Yes, curly bracket is necessary, Devil Love. Are you guys able to understand everything up till here, guys? Please let me know. The yellow color and style is not applied. See, this is the style for the notes. This is not the style for the heading. Okay, it's a different style. Good. Amazing, guys. Amazing. You guys are so smart, man. You guys are amazing. You guys are so smart. You guys are so amazing, guys. Good. Great, guys. I love you. Okay. So now that I have told you guys that I love you and you guys have not said it back on Valentine's Day, so I feel a bit disappointed and disheartened as well at the end of the day. This is how rejections are being faced by people nowadays, but nothing can be done upon this. My sus monologue is going on right over there. Okay, so I hope that you guys are planned something for your Valentine if you have any. So I have planned something. and let's see how that goes on. Most of the time I get scolded by her, so yeah, I can't say shit back to her. I just need to listen to her like it's all my fault. I can't do anything about it. Okay, great guys. And I hope that you guys are having an amazing Valentine's Day as well. Okay. Make sure that you enjoy a lot. Even if you are with somebody, if you are not with somebody, it's fine. Let me show you one of my Valentines. Okay, do you want to meet one of my Valentines, guys? If I'm able to find her or him or whoever it is. Do you want to meet her? Okay, let me try to find where are you? Where are you? Hey, give me 5 minutes, guys. I'm trying to find them. So one of them I was able to find. The other one I was not able to find. I don't know why, where, or where it is. If I'm able to find it, I will let you guys know. So yeah. Okay. 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 Yeah. Now she's just gone. Win. Come back here. Where are you going? Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. No hi. Yes, she said hi to everybody. Okay, go play. Okay, the second one is just lost. I think so. I have no idea where it is. Okay, so that was Lucy for you guys. Uh, and she has nails, man. She has nails. Okay, so guys, now I'll be letting you guys know how you have to submit your project. Okay, so how are you going to get your certificates? What will be the things that will be happening? Please focus upon this, guys. This is extremely important. That is the reason why I've kept it for the last itself. And I had you guys some fun and everything. So just look at it and understand it right over here. I will keep your chat to one of the sides itself. I will keep it on the left side. I will put up the paint on the right side. Your chat and everything. Okay, so right over here, guys, please focus upon this. Okay, please focus upon this. This is related to your certificates. This is related to our certificates, guys. So please focus upon it properly. Okay, please focus upon it properly, guys. Okay, those students who will be having 6 out of 7 days worth of attendance. Okay, those certificates will, those people who will be having 6 out of 7 days worth of attendance, these students will be given the DevTown certificate. Okay, these students will be getting the DevTown certificate. Okay, so if you have 6 out of 7 days worth of attendance, then you will be having the certificate of DevTown. Okay, you will be having the certificate of DevTown, guys. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. 6 out of 7 days worth of attendance, then you guys will be getting the DevTown certificate. Okay. Now, right now, I'll be telling you guys how to submit your project, where to submit your project, everything I will be letting you guys know in 5 minutes. Just focus upon the certificate criteria right now. Those students will be having 6 out of 7 days worth of attendance. Plus, I'll be telling you guys how to submit the project, what project should you submit, everything I will be letting you guys know. Plus the correct project submitted. Okay, correct project submitted, guys. Okay, those guys will be given the certificates via Google and Microsoft. Those students will be given the certificates via Google and Microsoft, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Adhi Ranjan. Yeah, my handwriting is shit, I know. Okay. Today we will be having one attendance, guys. You don't have to worry about it. Today we will be having one attendance. You don't have to worry about it. So including that, if you are having 6 out of 7 days worth of attendance, then DevTown certificate. If you are having 6 out of 7 days worth of attendance plus the correct project submitted, then you are going to get the Google and Microsoft certificates as well. What do we mean by correct project? So I will be letting you guys know how to submit the project, which project to be submitted. So if you are submitting it according to that, that will be considered as a correct project submitted itself. Okay, correct project submitted. So right over here, let me show it to you guys. The project that we have done today. Okay, the project that we have done today. This is the project that we have done today, right, guys? This is the project that we have done today. If you have to create the exact same project with one note. Okay, you have to create the exact same project with just one note. Okay, with just one note using code sandbox only, the exact same project. No changes whatsoever. You don't have to change the text. You don't have to change the code. You don't have to change the color. The exact same project. Nothing should be changed. Nothing should be changed. The second thing is you have to create it on code sandbox. So if you're having a phone, if you're having a laptop, you're having a desktop, you're having anything, any computing device, you can create the project. You can create the project. You have to use only code sandbox. You cannot use VS Code. You cannot use Replit. Nothing. Only code sandbox. The reason for that is very simple. We usually get around 1,500 project submissions. I cannot sit here and go through those 1,500 project submissions. So I write a script. Okay, I write a bot that goes through every single project and figures out how much similar it is to my project. If the similarity is above 80%, you will get your certificates. If the similarity is less than 80%, that means you have done something else inside of the project. You are not going to get the project. It's as simple as that. It is as simple as that, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. You have to use the exact same one note itself, the same text, the same code, the same colors. Nothing should be changed. Nothing. Okay, nothing should be changed. Not even the paragraph content. The content also needs to be the same, so that the bot is able to immediately identify that, okay, this much your code is similar to mine or not. Only one note is more than sufficient. Okay, the exact same project that we have done today, you have to do the exact same project. Nothing needs to be the changed. Okay, now let's come up to the submission, project submission, guys. So right over here, let me first create the project submission form for you guys. Give me a second. Let me just create the project submission form for you guys. Give me a second, guys. I'm currently creating the form for you guys. As you're able to see right over here, we have got some, in the last bootcamp that we had got 1,800 people who did the projects. So I am expecting a little bit more from you guys. Last time we had 1,800 people who submitted the project. So I am expecting a lot from you guys. Okay, you guys have been so good throughout the boot camp. You have learned everything properly. Do not miss out the certificate just because you are lazy. Okay, today is the 14th of January, guys. Today is 14th of February. Okay, I'm giving you guys the deadline till 19th of February, guys. I'm giving you guys the deadline till 19th of February. Okay, I'm giving you guys the deadline till 19th of February, guys. That is more than sufficient. Okay, 19th of February midnight, that is the deadline for project submission, guys. Now please make sure that the email ID that you are filling up is the exact same as your attendance email that you were using. Whatever email that you are using for your attendance purpose, you have to use the exact same email right over here. Okay, do not change the email. Again, you will not get the certificates even if one of the emails is misplaced right over there. Okay, you will not be able to get your certificates. Please make sure you're using the exact same email as your attendance email itself. Your full name, I don't want your grandparents' name, your great grandparents' name, your entire ancestral name on the certificate. If your name is very long, just your first name and your last name is more than sufficient. If your first name and last name is also very long, whatever short form of your name that you use, please use that. Okay, because the name cannot be longer than the certificate itself. It will just go beyond it. So to make sure that it is not happening, please use a shorter name. Okay, first name and last name, that's it. Your father's name, grandfather's name, great grandfather's name, do not do like that. Just put your first name and your last name. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. For example, Surya Teja Verma is a short name. You can put up your entire name itself. Okay. Good. The next thing that you want to do is submit your project. So submit the project. For example, you have to create it only in Code Sandbox. Do not use anything else. Otherwise, it will not be accepted. So once I've created your project, okay, let's assume that this is the project that I've created. Okay. Let's assume this is the project that I've created. Click on this particular blue button, blue share button that you are able to see. Click on this particular blue share button, then click on can edit. Okay, change to can edit, and then click on copy link. Okay, so once you have completed the project, share, okay, can edit, copy link. Once you have copied the link from right over here, you need to paste it inside of the project submission form. Right over here, as you're able to see, Code Sandbox link. Okay, you have to paste your link right over here, your Code Sandbox link that you copied right over there. You have to paste it right over here, guys. Are you guys able to understand it? Please do let me know. Your link that you have copied from right over here, share, can edit, copy link, you have to paste it inside of this particular thing. Okay, Code Sandbox link, paste it right over here. Again, if you're posting your project on LinkedIn or something like that, it is not compulsory, as you're able to see. LinkedIn post link, it is not compulsory. But if you are posting it on LinkedIn, you can provide us with your link for the post as well. It is not compulsory. As you're able to see, not compulsory. But if you are doing it, please do provide us with that so that we are able to react back to it. We'll put some comments. We'll make sure that it is reaching out to more number of people as well. That we'll be able to do it for you. Okay. So that would be it, guys. That is how you will be submitting your project. Now I'll be providing you guys with the link for project submission. I'll be providing you guys with the link for project submission right now, guys. So right over here, I'm going to edit this out. I'm going to provide it in the live description of the video itself. I'm going to save it. So the project submission link is down in the description of the video. You can refresh your page to be able to see the project submission link. You can refresh your page, guys, to see the project submission link, guys. Share link to Code Sandbox. Why would I do that? You have to create that. You have to do the project, the same project that I taught. If I'm sharing you the Code Sandbox, then how are you going to do it? Can edit. Okay, you have to change it to can edit, guys. Okay, so once you're doing it, as you're able to see, this is your this is the basic thing. If you're reloading the page, go back to the description of the video itself. Go to the description of the video. There you will be able to find the project submission form. Okay, there you will be able to find the project submission form. This is the project submission form, guys. It's the project submission form, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. The project submission form is down in the description of the video. It is down in the description of the video. If you haven't registered for this bootcamp, if this is your first bootcamp, you will get the certificates. But for the next bootcamp, you will have to register yourself before attending it. You have to register yourself before attending it itself. You don't have to post it to LinkedIn. It is not compulsory. It is not at all compulsory. But if you are posting it, do provide us with that. Okay. Bro, we are having some exams right now. Can you extend the deadline, please? TL Minister, it will take you hardly 30 to 40 minutes to create the entire project. Hardly 30 to 40 minutes to create the entire project. And I'm giving you guys 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19th. 6 days to complete the project. If you're not able to do it in 6 days, then nothing will be able to help you guys out. Okay. Now, when are you going to receive your certificates? Very important question, guys. Because I know every one of you want to receive your certificates. So, when are you going to receive your certificates? Please understand this. The project submission deadline is on 19th midnight. Okay. The project submission deadline. Project deadline is 19th February midnight. Your Google and Microsoft certificates will be released only after 20th of February. Okay. All these certificates related to Google and Microsoft will only be released for everybody after 20th of February, and it takes us 3 to 4 days after that to send out all the certificates. The certificates will be given to you guys on the email ID that you guys are using for your attendance and your project submission on at the latest by 24th of February. So before 20th February, please do not come to me saying that, sir, I didn't receive my certificates. You are not going to receive your certificates before 20th of February. You will only be receiving your Google and Microsoft certificates after the project submission deadline. Not before that, after that. Are you guys able to understand this? So when are you going to receive your certificates, guys? Please let me know. When are you going to receive your certificates, guys? Now, many of you guys are saying I'm not able to see the project submission link in the description of the video. Many of you guys are saying I'm not able to see the project submission link in the description of the video, guys. Reload the page, refresh the page. I've already told you guys, if you're not able to see the link in the description of the video, reload the page, refresh the page. As you're able to see, this is the video that you guys are currently watching. I'm also watching the same video. This is the video that you guys are currently watching. In the description of the video, once you have reloaded the page, you are able to see the CSS code as well as the project submission link. Both the links are there in the description of the video. You just have to reload your page. It is as simple as that. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. What about DevTown certificate? That you will be receiving before 20th of February. The DevTown certificate will be received to you guys before 20th of February, guys. Where will be receive the certificate? You will receive the certificates on the same email address that you have used for your attendance and your project submission. On your attendance and your project submission, guys. No issue. See, sharing the link of LinkedIn is not compulsory. If you are doing it, share it with us. If you're not doing it, do not share it with us. It's just like that itself in the form. It's not compulsory, guys. Just chill. Okay? What is the project? Okay, just guys, just look at this particular person, guys. Mehdi Alam is asking, what is the project? What should I reply? The entire Ramana, the entire storyline of the entire thing is over. And then he's asking, what is the project? So, like, he's just asking, like, the entire Ramayana is over and he's asking, who is Ram? Very good. Keep it up. Okay, so guys, almost out of the 60 seats that were there in full stack development, we are still having some 20 seats remaining. Okay, in data science, we have some 30 seats that are remaining, and in cyber security, we have somewhere around 50 seats that are remaining as of this particular point of time. So, could you guys let me know how many of you guys are still interested to enroll for the same? Could you guys let me know how many of you guys are still interested to enroll for the training and internship program that we are having? Could you guys let me know? I'll be answering your question, Sumit, at after some time. Just be patient. Okay. How many of you guys are still interested to join the training and internship program? Could you guys let me know? Who haven't registered themselves yet, but they are still interested to register themselves right now. See, many of you guys are interested, but we still have not yet received your enrollments as of this particular point of time. So, if you guys are interested for the same, guys, I will suggest, please, right now, I'm giving you guys 5 minutes. I'm giving you guys 5 minutes. It is not going to take a lot of time, guys. It is not going to take a lot of time. The WhatsApp link is in the description of the video itself. As you are able to see, the WhatsApp link is in the description of the video itself. If you guys are interested in the training and internship program, I'm giving you guys 5 minutes. Either you can just message on the WhatsApp number so that a representative from DevTown is able to reach out to you and help you out. Otherwise, you can just do the pre-enrollment right now itself. So I have to complete the project for the certificate. Yes, Manas, that is what I've been saying for such a long time, if you remember. I'm giving you guys 5 minutes, guys. Those who are interested, okay, those who are interested to enroll into the program, into the training and internship program itself, please do message on the WhatsApp number right now itself. Take up 5 minutes, okay, take up 5 minutes itself. I'm interested, but I had the problem today. WhatsApp team sent me the solutions, but it is not working. Prabhas, just talk to them once again. They will be helping you out. If you guys are interested in that, please message on this particular WhatsApp number. Please let me know, okay, how many of you guys are messaging on the WhatsApp number so that I'm having some idea. Okay, so that I'm having some idea, guys. I will be showing the attendance link in the next 10 minutes. Okay, I will be showing the attendance link in the next 10 minutes itself. Just be patient. Okay. So after training, will you be providing us placements? Yes, of course. I had already told you guys that yesterday as well. Okay. So like I said, Nazim Zia, okay, you will be receiving the certificates very soon. Just be patient. Okay, just be patient. So for those guys who are interested to join the training and internship program, okay, please make sure that you are reaching out to this particular WhatsApp number right now. Okay, do we get internship in Amazon for full stack web developer? Yes, Vishal, that is one of the companies. You don't have to worry about it. As I have already showed you guys yesterday as well, these are the companies that are available for full stack web development. That is Cisco, Commonwealth Bank, JP Morgan and Chase, Lyft, Amazon, Accenture, Walmart, Infosys, and HP. These are for software engineering and full stack web development. Then for your software engineering and data analysts, you have companies like Cognizant, Deloitte, Boston Consulting Group, KPMG, Tata, Accenture, British Airways. Then you are having in cybersecurity, MasterCard, ANZ, JP Morgan and Chase, and PwC. So for those guys, the internship is guaranteed, guys. The internship is guaranteed. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. For those guys, okay, for those guys who are interested, what is the highest package? The highest package was for 60 lakhs via Google. That was the highest package. The second highest was via Microsoft at 48 lakhs per annum. The average package was 13.7 lakhs per annum, guys. Okay. The cost, we don't charge anything for the internships. The internships is totally for free. It is available to our training students. The cost of the training program is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. Okay. No laptop, what to do, sir? You can use resources like Ripple. Okay, you can use resources like Ripple itself. The lowest package that we received was via Cognizant at 6 lakhs per annum. That was the lowest package that we received throughout the entire program itself. Okay, so like I've said, guys, the entire training and internship program is of 3,500 rupees if you're going with the recordings. Okay, if you're going with the recordings itself, you will have doubt support, you will have the 1 month guaranteed internship, you will be able to do it on your own pace. The cost of that will be 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. But if you want to learn live, if you want, for example, me to come up live every single day and teach you guys for 2 hours in the training program for 3.5 months completely, the cost for that would be 7,500 rupees plus 18% GST, because we'll have to pay the mentors every single month to do that. The cost for that is for the entire 3.5 months will be 7,500 rupees plus 18% GST for just the recordings plus the 1 month guaranteed internship. If you want just the, like, you want the same instructors to teach you, but you want to do it on your own pace, you want lifetime access to the program itself, you want the 1 month guaranteed internship as well. So for that case, it is still 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. The placements are the same in both the cases. Everything is the same. There is no difference whatsoever. There's no difference whatsoever. Both of the cases, you are going to get doubt sessions, you are going to get everything. The only difference is one is your live session, one is the other is the recordings itself. That's the only difference between them. Okay, that's the only difference between them, guys. Nothing else. Everything related to placements, related to internships, related to your doubt solvings, related to the content, related to the projects that you will be doing, everything will be the same. As I live outside of India, am I still eligible to do that? Yes, you are eligible to do that. So I submitted a form with project, but did not receive the mail. You must be receiving it in a few minutes. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. Okay, like I said, guys, this program is 3 months course and 2 months of internship. Shitosh, it is 1 month of guaranteed internship by the company of your choosing. Plus, DevTown will be giving you a certificate of 3 months of internship at DevTown as well. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. For those guys who want to enroll into the program, you can either enroll right now by paying the pre-registration fees, or you can go with the WhatsApp number as well. Okay, is placement guaranteed or internship? Please clarify. Placement would be performance based, right? Yes, of course, placement would be performance based. No company is going to take you in without your performance itself. And yes, the internship is guaranteed. Okay, irrespective of your performance, the internship is guaranteed. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay. But I didn't select full stack web developer. Where to select it? Santosh, just reach out to the on this WhatsApp number. They will help you out with the same. Okay. Reach out to this number. You will be able to get the who is the instructor of the class. So Pritam, we have multiple instructors that is there. I am also one of the instructors. Okay, there are other instructors from Goldman Sachs, from JP Morgan and Chase, McKinsey and Company, and other companies as well that will be helping you guys out throughout the entire program. Okay, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, like I said, guys, those who want to register for the same, for live, is it 3 months guaranteed, or for recording it's 1 month? Prabhita, it's the same. There is no change. The only thing is, if you are preferring that, okay, a person from Google or Microsoft should be live every single day teaching me, that is the only difference. Nothing else. Okay, nothing else, guys. Only first and last name, only first. Seats remaining. Okay, so the seats remaining for full stack development were 20. Okay, were 20 as of this particular point of time. Okay, if the sessions are recording, how will you judge our progress? Sumit, we have our own LMS platform wherein we go through all. You have to watch the entire video to get it checked. Okay, otherwise it will not get checked. Okay, so we see your progress through the LMS platform itself, our own learning management platform that we have created it. If they do plan on recruiting us, will they check our university results or something like that? Nothing. See, the only thing is if you have the right skill set and the right knowledge, if you have it, you are going to go with it. Okay, so Shushant, sir, I'm confused. What course should I choose? Shushant, I will suggest go with full stack development. It is foolproof. It always, so most of our students, okay, always, so in our full stack development batch, whatever student completes the entire program, 100% of the students get placed. Most of the students that are getting unplaced are usually from like so up till now we have trained 5,800 people. Out of that, only 300 people have not yet been placed. We are still looking into getting them placements right now, but the rest of the 5,500 people have already been placed. Most of our students were from full stack web development. That is the reason why I make sure to let you guys know what is going on better right now. Okay, what is more preferable for an etc engineer? See, no matter which particular background are you from, go with full stack, it is always safe. Okay, so do we need to know about full stack, or they will teach? We'll teach you guys everything from the basics. You don't have to worry about it. Even if you don't know what is programming, you don't have to worry about it. Okay. Okay. Yes, today is the last class, guys. Of course, today is the last class. Now I'm going to give you guys the like attendance link, guys. I'm going to give you guys the attendance link for today. If you guys have any questions or queries, you can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number, and we will be helping you guys out with the same. Recording classes is worth, sir. Sandeep, if it is not worth, okay, you can just text me. I'll give you back your money. I don't want your money. At the end of the day, if I'm promising you something, it will be of quality. Otherwise, I will not even give it to you. That is the exact same thing. I've started this to make sure that I'm able to provide you guys the best thing that is out there in the industry. Okay. Sir, I'm working in the IT industry in support role. Would I be eligible for the internship? Yes, Dharun, you will also be eligible for the internship. If sir, I paid 588, then what can I do now? What is the other procedure that we have to do? Neil, in the next 4 days, we'll have to complete your entire registration by paying the rest of the amount. You will soon get a message or a call by a representative of DevTown to complete that. You don't have to worry about it. 2 hours of recordings also each day. Is it so? Shavna, for the pre-recorded sessions, you get all the recordings at once. It is not as if like 2 hours every single day. We give you all the recordings at once. Okay. Sir, can we switch from the recordings to the live classes? Sure, Sagar, you can definitely do that. I'm confused with which language should I learn in my career that will make me like you. I'm literally impressed with your achievements. Chinmay, start with C++ and data structures and algorithms. Okay. So what course should you suggest to a BCA student? Go with full stack development. Very simple. Go with full stack development. I'm from Pakistan. I messaged on WhatsApp number but didn't get any response till yet. Just message once again. Just message once again. Do not worry about it. Just message once again. Okay. Provide another payment gateway where I can pay for the internship program, full stack development. Mohammed, just message on this WhatsApp number. Somebody from DevTown will be helping you guys out right over there. I'm providing you guys with the attendance link right now. Okay, till that time, if you have any questions or any queries, you can reach out to the WhatsApp number. Again, enroll yourself right now. Right now, almost 5 people have enrolled themselves. So 15 more seats are available in full stack development. Okay, 15 more seats are available in full stack development, guys. You can enroll yourself right now. Book your seat right now by paying the pre-registration fees. Right now, I'm creating the attendance link for you. Give me 2 seconds. I'm creating the attendance link for you guys. The attendance link will be open for 2 hours, guys. You don't have to worry about it. The attendance link will be open for 2 hours. You don't have to worry about it. So if you have any questions or queries, you can reach out to me. I've already provided you guys with the link for the WhatsApp number, as well as I provided you guys the registration link as well. You can complete your registration right now. Okay. Okay, so this is the attendance link, guys. Let me share the attendance link with you guys. I provided you guys with the attendance link in the live chat, guys. I provided you guys with the attendance link. So do we have flexibility in learning when we have our exams? Bashir Sheikh, of course, you don't have to worry about it. We have been doing this for the past 1.5 years. Sumit, sir, I want to cancel my registration. I want my money back. I also request your representative. They are not giving it. Sumit, it does not work like that. Okay. If the number of seats are getting completed, okay, they're getting fulfilled, we will refund you back your money. But if they are not, then you have wasted one of the seats for registration, right? I've already provided you guys with the attendance link, guys. I've already provided you guys with the attendance link right over here. So the internship will be online only. Yes, the internship will be online only. Okay, the internship will be online only. Sir, I already enrolled in recorded program. Will I be getting the doubt clearing sessions? If yes, then when? Priyanshu Sharma, under every single video, you will be able to see a doubt button right over there. Okay, doubt button right over there. So you can just click on it, and from there you can just post your doubt, and somebody from DevTown will be answering that back. Sumit, you can still go with the pre-recorded version. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. It's the exact same thing, and you're still getting the doubt support and everything, and including the internship as well. So you don't have to worry about it. You can still go with the recorded sessions as well. So ask doubt button is not working. What to do? Change the browser that you're using. Okay, change the browser that you're using. Yes, the class is over, guys. The class is over. So the link you have provided, WhatsApp number. How can I enroll for full stack? Mr. Hassan, you can just contact them. Somebody from DevTown will then reach out to you, so you don't have to worry about it. Yes, the recordings for the today's class will be given to you guys. You don't have to worry about it. Sir, if I complete my tutorials in 1 month, can I get the internship next month only? Yes, you can. Okay, there's no issues with that. Okay, there's no issues with that. So I've already provided you guys with the registration link as well as the WhatsApp number, guys. If you guys have any questions or any queries, please reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number, or you can enroll yourself right now, right over here using this registration link, guys. Using this registration link. Any tips for CSE student specialization in AI? I am open to any suggestions. Study data structures and algorithms and computer programming very seriously. Very seriously. Max time for completing self-paced program, lifetime till you die. Okay, but yes, before your son is born. Okay, okay, before your son is born. But yeah, you don't have to worry about it. Sir, I'm in second year. Can I enroll for full stack? Siddhant, yes, definitely you can enroll for full stack. The early that you guys are able to join, the more beneficial it will be. The 7 students who got placed into Google, all of them joined us in their first year itself. All of them joined us in their first year itself with us. That is the reason why. If you guys are still interested, where is the doubt button? Once you get into the program, okay, once you get the program itself, inside of that you will be able to do it. Internship कैसे होगी JavaScript पे? Shivam, you don't have to worry about it. Whatever you are studying on that topic, your internship will be conducted. You don't have to worry about it. We are there to help you out with that. Okay. Like I said, guys, if you are still interested to enroll into the training and internship program, you guys can register yourself right over here using the WhatsApp link and just message them. They will be helping you guys out with the registration. Okay. Otherwise, you can go with the direct registration link itself. Sumit, you don't have to worry about it. See, it is just not possible for a person from Google to come up live every single day. We need to pay them, right? That is the reason why. Otherwise, what you can do is you can start right now with the live sessions. If you want to convert into the, if you want to start right now with the pre-recording sessions. If you want to convert it into a live session, you can enroll yourself at a later point of time. But right now, I will still suggest do not miss this opportunity. Okay? The course is the same. Okay, the product is the same. The projects that you will be doing is the same. The teachers are the same. Everything is the same. Even the doubt support is the same. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. Like I said, guys, if you guys want to enroll yourself right over here, you can use the WhatsApp link. So I don't have knowledge of programming. Can I enroll? Manju, of course you can enroll. You don't have to worry about it. We'll be teaching you guys everything from the basics, even if you don't have any knowledge related to the programming language as well. Okay. Which development is running in market? Okay, there's no development running in the market, but yes, the highest paid people right now is your full stack web developers. Most number of jobs are available right over there. Yes, you guys can leave, guys. The attendance is done. The attendance is done. The attendance is done. Shakshi Shah, can I pay after I get my internship? No, Shakshi. You are first paying for the training. The internship itself is free. We are not charging anything for the internship actually. Okay. Will there be a certificate from Amazon in the 1 month guaranteed internship? Madhvi, yes, absolutely. As you're able to see, for full stack web development, yes, Amazon is also there as the 1 month guaranteed internship partner companies itself. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. Can the internship be done over the phone? You can use ripple.it for doing that. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. Yes, submission link will be active till 19th of February. Submission link will be active till 19th of February itself. Are we going to learn MERN stack? Yes, you will be learning MERN stack. You will be learning DevOps. You will be learning cloud computing in AWS as well. Okay. Right now we are having the program. Next year we'll be having it or not, I cannot guarantee you guys, but right now if you are enrolling yourself, you can start the program after 1 year as well. You don't have to worry about it. So will DSA and Algo be taught in the course? Of course, it will be taught. Without that, how can we make you guys prepare for placements? Okay, I will share the attendance link once again. I don't know why I've already shared it. People are still asking the to share the attendance link. I'll just share the attendance link one more time, guys. Do not worry. So I'm sharing the attendance link for the last time, guys. I'm sharing the attendance link for the last time. So if we complete the course in 1 or 2 months, then how many days we can get the internship? As soon as you're completing the program, you can just, we'll be telling you guys the exact path that you have to follow. And then you can start your internship within the next 5 days itself. Okay. How will our internship be conducted? It will be conducting using Slack channels, and we'll be helping you guys out throughout your entire internship. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay. You will be contacted soon, Chrono. Okay, you will be contacted soon. You don't have to worry about it. Which course is best for BSc? Go with full stack web development. Okay. Will we get a stipend while working as an intern? Because there is no exams, no interviews, nothing. It is a guaranteed internship. During that 1 month, you will not be getting any stipend. But if you are doing well right over there, then yes, the further internships and jobs will be with stipend and with money. You don't have to worry about that. Okay. Sumit, canceling the registration is just not possible. Yeah, I've already told you that canceling the registration is just not possible. BSc IT, you can also go with full stack web development. Okay. Is it good for third year students? Yes, Tejas, you can definitely enroll. I've already given you guys the attendance link as well. Okay. Sir, means if our project is correct, but we don't have 6 out of 7 days of attendance, we'll not get any certificates. Jeet, you're absolutely right. You will not be able to get your certificates because you don't have the right attendance criteria. How much is full stack web development training in dollars? I guess around $50, I guess, approximately. Chitra, can you show the certificate for internship? Sure, there's no issues in that. This is one of the example certificates of our internship at KPMG for data analytics consulting virtual internship. The year will be mentioned, which date did you join it, how long did you have done it, what are the topics that you worked upon it, everything will be mentioned right over there. The project submission form is in the description of the video, guys. It is in the description of the video. Sumit, again, I've said there is no cancellation because you have wasted a seat, right? The seat is already booked for you. We already sent out an email. That is the reason why. So my branch is data science. So can I go through full stack development? Of course, Jatin, you can definitely go through that. You don't have to worry about it. Guys, if you want to enroll into the program, can I take the program? I'm in 12th standard not right now. No, Ashutosh, this is just for college students and people who have crossed college. If you are in 12th standard, you cannot get into this program. Okay, for 12th standard people who are not in college or who have not yet started college, those who have passed out of college, that is fine. But anyone who is not yet in college, please, this is not for you. Okay, you can attend the sessions for knowledge purpose, but this is not for you guys. Okay. So guys, if you guys want to enroll into the program, you guys can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number, or you guys can contact, you guys can directly do your pre-registration right away here, guys. Okay. So we'll be meeting so in a future bootcamp of ours. Right now I'll be going for another bootcamp. So thank you so much, guys. We will meet in the future time itself. Okay, Sumit, cancellation is just not possible. I've already told you guys, cancellation is just not possible. Okay, so if you want to register, I've already provided you the links. It is already pinned up in the description of in the live session, live chat as well. You can just access it from right over there, guys. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Thank you. We'll meet in a future bootcamp. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye.